Damn it. This is bullcrap. I can't believe I got grounded once again in my room and do my stupid homework. Not to mention, my Xbox has been confiscated by my siblings all because of what I did at school today. You know what? If that's how they are gonna treat me, then there's no point in being in this house anymore. I will sneak out and never come back from that hellhole again. Oh, good. Nobody's not here. Now, this is my chance to be out. So long, house. I hope I never return here ever again. Finally, freedom at last. Now I can go out and start causing mischievously.
Yum! This grilled cheese sandwich that I make is so delicious and crunchy. This is the best grilled cheese sandwich I ever made. Did you find this sandwich crunchy, too, Molly? Yeah, I find it so crunchy in my mouth. Especially I like the way you melt the cheese so spectacularly, just the way I like my cheese melt. This is the best. Thanks for the best grilled cheese sandwich you have ever made, Sarah. Oh, no problem, Molly.
Hello there, idiots.
Nancy, what are you doing here? Also, are you supposed to be grounded anyway?
My grounding time has nothing to do with you, so mind your own business. And the reason why I am here is because I am here to cause trouble once again.
Now you listen up, we are not, and we repeat, we are not, letting you cause trouble for me and Sarah. Your siblings will not be happy about this as soon as we call them.
Now you listen to me, you better not be thinking about telling my siblings about what I did. Otherwise, I will beat the hell out of you.
Hey, don't speak to my sister like that. If you ever attempt to beat her up, then I will be the one to beat you up. As much as I don't want to be kicked out of the park, I will do it if you go ahead and do so.
Sarah, keep your mouth shut. I don't have to do crap.
Okay, that's enough. Enough of the threats. You are about to get on my nerves. And that is what will happen to me if you don't get out of the park and go back to your residence house.
Going back to my residence house so that I can get punished more? Absolutely not. I am not going nowhere and staying where I'm at until you start listening to me.
Aha, there you are. I have been looking everywhere for you.
What the heck, Rachel, how do you know where I'm at? And how do you find me?
Well, since I found out that you were sneaking out of the house without letting me know, I used my tracker to track down your location where you are.
Oh, come on, this isn't fair. Damn that tracker app for founding me red-handed.
And now we are going home. So let's go.
No, I am not going home.
Nancy, just do as she told you and go with Rachel right now. No talking back.
Yeah, and besides, you are going to get punished either way, so it's time for you to give up and go home with Rachel right now. Okay, fine. You girls win. I will go home with Rachel. But this isn't over. When I get my hands on you both, you two are gonna be dead.
My goodness, what a spoiled troublemaker she is.
I agree. She is nothing but a spoiled brat. I hope she learned her lesson for what she did.
Now that the situation is now over, shall we head to the ice cream parlor and get ice creams?
Sure. And besides, sitting on the bench by the sun is making me so hot for a cold treat.
Then what are you waiting for? Let's get going then.